Welcome to the installation process of the Baiduri Bank Payment Gateway to your Shopify store. Here we discuss the installation process of the Baiduri Bank Payment app. Make sure you have fulfilled the basic requirements. Active Shopify store. Active Baiduri Bank Payment account. Provide your store URL via WhatsApp to obtain the app installation URL. Once you obtain the installation URL, you can continue the installation. Get the merchant name, merchant ID, API username, API password, and currency code from the Baiduri Bank. Now you can start installing the Shopify payment app. Click on the Install button. Then click on the Install App button. You will be redirected to the app configuration portal. Let's configure the payment app. Click on the Continue button to go to the next step. Click on the Select Plan button. Important: there are two modes. Live mode is only for live transactions and test mode is only for test transactions. Test mode is optional. We are configuring live mode for this instance. Enter the credentials that you extracted from your Baiduri Bank payment account and click on Activate. Select the relevant payment methods from the list and click on Activate. Your payment app is installed. Please send the following details via WhatsApp to complete the merchant onboarding process and obtain live mode license. 1. Payment gateway application name, example, Baiduri Bank IPG. 2. Company name, optional. 3. Contact name, first name and last name. 4. Contact email. 5. Contact mobile number, WhatsApp, Viber, or Telegram mobile number. 6. Shopify URL. 7. Billing address.
Thank you for watching.